Hello everyone. Am I audible? I hope you all can hear me. Just say yes if you can hear me, and we'll start in another 3 4 minutes. Hello, hello, hello. Hello everyone. Good evening. Hi Vrishti. Kesarwani. I know this is O. Who is Nidhi Edits? Hi, 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 hi. So meanwhile, let us discuss what are we going to discuss today. Today we are going to discuss one MCQ that is there in our linear equation, the first chapter, question number 5, which is based on the concept of consistency and inconsistency. Now, since there is one MCQ based on this, there could be more sums asked on this. And there is not a single sum that is asked here. Okay, Patel. So, what I'm going to do is We will understand the concept of inconsistency, consistency and inconsistency. I've taught you in the classroom uh, just with regards to that particular sum. Today, we'll see the concept again. We'll see that sum again, and I'll give you a few more sums, which is very important, which I feel are important. Okay, so we will start now. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, perfect. So first of all, we'll try to keep this as short as possible. Okay. Now, first, I'm going to take two equations. X plus y is equal to 3. Another equation, x minus y is equal to 1. And let us name it equation 1 and 2. Now, I'm assuming you know how to solve this equation. We'll add both these equations, adding equation 1 and 2. And what happens here is plus y minus y gets cancelled. X plus x is 2x. 2x is 4. X is 2. Now, if I substitute x as 2 in equation number 1, what will I get y as? I'll get y as 1 because x plus y is 3. So if x is 2, y has to be 1. Now, I can say here equation 1 and 2 do have unique solution. What does unique solution mean? One and only one solution. So we have two equations 1 and 2. In our first case, both the equation have only one solution, which is a unique solution. Okay. Now, graphically, if you have to see, if we draw these two lines on a graph paper, they will be intersecting lines, which we have already done in this chapter. Now, let us take another equation. 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, equation number 2. Let us try to solve this equation. We'll subtract both the equation. I'm assuming you know how to solve this equation. We'll change the sign of the second equation. Plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. Plus y minus y gets cancelled. Everything gets cancelled. We're getting no solution. So when we say no solution, can you tell me graphically what is this? There is a lag of 5 to 15 seconds. So I'll wait for this time. Can you tell me graphically which type of line this is? If in case 1, it was intersecting lines, then in case 2, it will be what lines? Anyone? Just type what type of lines it would be. So we got a no solution. So what type of lines it would be? Come on, waiting for it. So we have two lines with no solution. If the first one is intersecting line, second would be yes, no. It will be parallel lines. Since it has no solution, see, try to understand solution in linear equation means intersection. If there is one intersecting point, it has one solution. If it has two intersecting points, it has two solutions. For linear equation, two intersecting points is not possible. Parallel lines, no solution. Now let us say take case 3, where we have two equations, x minus y is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. And we have named it equation 1 and 2. We'll try and solve these equations. If you see equation number 1 and 2, these are actually not two different equations. If I multiply equation number 1 by 2, I get equation number 2. So, if we try to draw the graph of it, it has infinite solutions because these are overlapping lines. So, we have three scenarios here. Case 1, where the lines are intersecting, we have unique solution. Case 2, where the lines are parallel, we have no solution. And case 3, where the lines are same, that means they're overlapping lines, it has infinitely many solutions. So you have three cases. Yes, Phonetic also got the answer right. Yes, it was parallel lines. I saw it now. Now, by either solving or by drawing the graph, we can identify whether it has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solutions. Now, let us say even without solving, just by looking at the coefficients, how to identify them. Now, we all know the standard form for the linear equation would be ax plus by is equal to c. Now, from 1, now look at this. I'll just change the pointer. Okay. Now, look at this equation number 1. If you have to give me the values of A, B, and C. So A1 will be 1, A2 will be 1, B2 will B1 will be 1, and C1 will be 3. Now from equation 2, I'll get A2 as 1, B2 as minus 2, and C2 as 1. Now, if you look at the ratios of the coefficients here, if I have to go for A1 upon A2, it is 1 upon 1. If I have to go for B1 upon B2, it is 1 upon minus 1. That means A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. Now, the beautiful part of linear equation is you can take any two linear equations. You can take any linear equations. If A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, those two lines will always have unique solution. Now, similarly, for equation 2, for the second case, from 1, we get A1 as 2, we get B1 as minus 1, and we get C1 as minus 3. From equation 2, we get A2 as 2, we get B2 as minus 1, and we get C2 as minus 4. Now let us find the ratios. A1 upon A2 will be 2 upon 2, that is 1. B1 upon B2 will be minus 1 upon minus 1, that will be 1. C1 upon C2 will be minus 1 upon minus 4, that will be 1 upon 4, which is not equal to 1. So I can say A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 and not equal to C1 upon C2. So we can conveniently conclude that whenever we have two linear equations and we have A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 as equal, but C1 upon C2 is not equal, then they will always be parallel lines and always have no solution. Now, similarly for no solutions, now from 1 we get A1 is 1, A2 is 2, A1 is 1, B1 is minus 1, and C1 is minus 2. A2 from equation 2, A2 will be 2, B2 will be minus 2, and C2 will be minus 4. Now, let us find the ratios. A1 upon A2, 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2, minus 1 upon minus 2, that will be 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2, minus 2 upon minus 4, that will be 1 upon 2. So we can say A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So whenever we have all the three ratios equal, we can say the lines have infinite solutions or overlapping lines. So from these three scenarios, we can take down this table. You can take a screenshot of this or I can send it to you. We have these three scenarios. A1 upon A2 it is not equal to B1 upon B2. We say they're intersecting lines and unique solution and consistent. Now let's try to understand what does consistency mean. If the two linear equations have a solution, it is consistent. May it be one solution or infinitely many solutions, 3 solutions, 4 solutions, it is consistent. But if it has no solution, it is inconsistent. Since case 2, where A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, they are parallel lines. That means it has no solution, and no solution means it is inconsistent. And case 3, where A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2, that means they're overlapping lines. The G has come down, so manage it. And it has infinitely many solutions because it's overlapping lines and it is also consistent. Now, based on this, we have one MCQ and I'll be giving few more sums. And the last sum of the day will be tricky one. Let us see who gets it. The sum from the textbook, the fifth MCQ. AX plus BY is equal to C. And MX plus NY is equal to D. And AN is not equal to BM. Then this simultaneous equation has only one solution, no solution, infinite number of solutions, only two solutions. Now in linear equations, only two solution is not the case. Now if you look at this equation itself, now if you have learned the consistency theory, not equal to कब आता है? Only in unique solution. Unique solution मतलब one solution. ऐसे भी directly आंसर निकाल सकते हो कि नॉट इक्वल टू और किधर आता है? नो सोल्यूशन मतलब समथिंग इज एटलीस्ट इक्वल, इन्फिनिटली मेनी सोल्यूशन इज, हाँ बट यहाँ पे नॉट इक्वल टू आ गया, जहां पे फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट इज नॉट इक्वल आया तो डायरेक्टली बताना शायद थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा. ओके तो नॉट सोल्यूशन, नो सोल्यूशन, नॉट इक्वल टू कब आता है? यूनिक सोल्यूशन में and parallel lines. So it could be either one solution or it could be no solution. C and D to nahi ho sakta. So let us go and try and solve this sum. Now let me look at the equation. Given information, given part, that is AN is not equal to BN. Now if I look at this, AN means A into N is not equal to BM means B into M. Now let me have a look at the two equations that we have. AX plus BY is equal to C. MX plus NY is equal to D. Now look at this. ANN and look at this BNN. तो अगर मेरे को A1 अपॉन A2 करना है तो आई नीड A अपॉन M. तो यहाँ पे A है, यहाँ पे M है, तो M शुड बी ट्रांसपोज्ड हियर और B के साथ N चाहिए तो N यहाँ पे नीचे आना चाहिए. तो M ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड N ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. तो A अपॉन M and is not equal to B upon N, or we can say dividing both sides by Mn. Now A upon M, look at this, is not equal to B upon N. मतलब पहला दो रेशियो ही नॉट इक्वल है. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहला दो रेशियो इक्वल है एंड थर्ड रेशियो इज नॉट इक्वल. पहला दो रेशियो इज ओनली नॉट इक्वल. In such cases, we say it has unique solution, which means one solution. Now I believe this MCQ in itself is very easy. Now what I'm going to do is, now this is a session where I'm going to give sums for you to solve, where we'll be practicing live with me. Okay. So I hope you all are ready. Just type ready if you are ready. And the first sum I'm going to teach, the second and the third and the fourth, or the third, second and third, are the sums which you are going to do it on yourself. Okay. By yourself. Now the question says, without actually solving the simultaneous equations given below, decide which simultaneous equation have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. And you should know, if A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, we have unique solution. If A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, it has no solution. And if all the three are equal, it has infinitely many solutions. Okay. With this, I'll take the equations with me. 3y is equal to 2 minus x and 3x is equal to 6 minus 9y. Now, what is very important here to understand is, first of all, we need both the linear equations in the standard form. यहाँ पे दोनों equations हमारे standard form में नहीं. Standard form मतलब पहले x, फिर y, फिर equal to c. So, let us first represent both the equations in that form. Now, 3y is equal to 2 minus x. Taking a look at this equation. Now, minus x needs to be on the left hand side. So, minus x को यहाँ पे transpose कर दो, तो plus x हो जाएगा. तो first of all, minus x transpose हो गया, plus x हो गया, 3y as it is, 2 as it is. Okay, we have our equation. Look at the second equation. 3x is equal to 6 minus 9y. अब यहाँ पे 3x बराबर जगह पे, 6 भी वही जगह पे, minus 9y should be on the left hand side. तो माइनस 9y को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे तो ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा इक्वल टू साइड के इस साइड, तो प्लस हो जाएगा 3x plus 9y is equal to 6. So now we have two equations ready. Let us find out the values. So we'll write this statement. MCQ होगा तो जरूरत नहीं है, but sum होगा तो we have to write comparing these equations with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So a1 हो जाएगा 1, b1 हो जाएगा 3 and c1 हो जाएगा 2. तो a1 यहाँ रहा, ये रहा. Just you can focus on the mouse pointer, a1, b1 and c1. Similarly, in the second equation, a2, b2 and c2. Now let us find their ratios. a1 upon a2, 1 upon 3. b1 upon b2, 3 upon 9 है. 3 upon 9, 3 1 जा 3 3 जा तो 1 upon 3. c1 upon c2, 2 upon 6, 2 1 जा 2 3 जा तो 1 upon 3. So all the three are equal. Now since a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, can you tell me on the chat box which solution? Does it have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? A very easy sum. Quickly. Does it have unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? In 20-25 seconds का lag है, so try to understand that gap. Yes. So tell me, यूनिक सोल्यूशन, नो सोल्यूशन, इन्फिनिटली मेनी सोल्यूशन, क्या होगा तीनों में से? इन द चैट बॉक्स. Okay, Noor says infinite solution. Good evening, Sanika. Yes, Harshit here. Come on, only one answer. What do others feel? Okay, the Chika madam says infinite. Perfect. So it has infinitely many solutions. Now, perfect. Now, what we'll do is I'll give you another 5 minutes. I want all of you to solve the answer and then check your solution. Okay. And then we'll discuss the solution. 5 minutes. Ready? If yes, type yes. Okay. 5 minutes to solve this sum quickly. You have to go for the same. First, bring the equation in the standard form, then compare it with the standard form, write the values of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, then find out their ratios and then state what are they. See, we have to find out more application based solutions sums to it. So this will be one more sum, only one more sum of this type I'm taking. And then in this type, we'll take application based sums. Okay. Yes, perfect. Okay, Shiva. All of you can start writing. I'll be waiting. And once you're done, anyone is done, you have to write two things: the ratios of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, and C1 upon C2, and what type of equation it has. You can solve it, and if you're smart enough, you can do it orally also. Come on. Try to write the entire sum because we will need steps to write marks and it will act as practice. I'll be sending more sums to you of this type. Okay, I got one answer, one person saying no solution. Can you tell me which two ratios are equal and not equal? Mr. Om Kesarwani or Fufaji? I know most of you are today busy traveling and playing Garba, but nevertheless, they can watch this session later on. Try solving this up. Mr. Om, I will need the ratios from you. You have written no solution. I'll need the ratios from you. So only Mr. Om has solved till now, but he's not ready to give me the solution. Ah, it has 25 minutes, 20, 20, more than 30 seconds left. No solution. Okay. 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 I got it. Okay, Noor. Can you give me the values of A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2? Okay, we see Om has been very smart. He names it as first ratio and second ratio and third ratio. Thank you, Om, for that idea. So give me the value of first ratio. First wale ka answer, second wale ka answer, third wale ka answer. What is first one ka answer, second one ka answer, third ka answer? When I say one, yes, one, no solution. So when I say equation number one, I'll quickly put it in the standard form. The first equation is already in the standard form. Yeah, Shifa. Second equation will have to transport minus 14y to the left hand side, minus 14y. Comparing the values of A1 is 3, B1 is minus 7, and C1 is 15. A2 is 6, B2 is minus 14, and C2 is 10. Oh, yes, Chavan sir. Vedant Chavan is here. Yes, Atharva. Oh, Chado. Wow. I'm happy that you are coming live and trying to study something different. Okay, now, see, try to understand the sums that we're discussing today are less likely to come, but likely to come. Now, this sums, the type of sum that the MCQ that we have, it is already there in our textbook since 5 6 years, and even in the latest edition, that is not removed. And the surprising part here is that is the only sum of that concept. So we need to be ready in the worst case scenario for more types of sum that if that can go. It can come in question number 5. Yes. So A1 upon A2, 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. B1 upon B2, minus 7 upon minus 14, 1 upon 2. C1 upon C2, 15 upon 10. If you reduce 5 threes are 5 twos are 3 upon 2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Yes, Vansh. And not equal to C1 upon C2. So the given simultaneous equation has no solution. So it was a very simple one. Now what I'm going to do is we'll take few more sums on this where we'll try to find the values, missing values. Okay. The first one I'm going to take it. Or you can try. Okay, this is another same sum. I think you can try quickly another 3 minutes. This time I'm only going to give you 3 minutes for this. Okay. So quickly tell me the value. I've already put the equation in the standard form for you. So another 5 minutes. Hi, Nisar. Yes. So you joined now. Okay. So ये बहुत डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है जो लीनियर इक्वेशन में यूजुअली इग्नोर हो जाता है. Okay. And from my next lecture onwards, I'll be taking important external sums, which I feel. And you need to tell me in the chat box which topic. I believe देखो ज्यादा linear and quadratic से आता है. So in linear and quadratic, which type of linear equations do you want me to take? Because even in your school semesters, those external sums can come. So I'll handpick some linear word problems. If you have certain word problems, you can send me in advance. I'll take it on Sunday. Okay. If you have any question, you can send it in advance because I'll take time to type it. Okay. If anybody's got the solution, please let me know. हाँ, पहले पहले ये थोड़ा सा कर लूँ फिर मैं उसका बिल दूंगा. डेफिनेटली 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 है मेरे पास सम्स है. विल टेक इट. मे बी we will have to increase the number of sessions if you have to cover all those things. Geometry भी cover करना है और algebra का भी बहुत सारे externals cover करना है. तो maybe after Diwali, once our portion is done, I will also try to come midweek once. Let's see. आंसर है इसका. ओके, वंश ने इसका आंसर दे दिया है. नहीं, वंश ने आंसर नहीं, इससे पहले वाला कर दिया था. चलो मैं अभी देखता. ओके, इफ यू आर टेकिंग दैट मच टाइम, आई एम हैप्पी क्योंकि कोई ओरल ही नहीं कर रहा है, सब लिख कर रहे हैं. ये वही सम है क्या? No. Hey, is this the same sum? This is the same sum, and we are trying to solve it. Yes, this is the same sum. This is the same sum. I think this is the same sum that we did, right? Yeah, same sum हो गया. और फिर भी लोगों को रियलाइज नहीं हुआ, फिर भी एक ही सम 2 बार कॉपी किया है, एंड वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट. एक्सेलेंट. क्या बात है. वेरी गुड. नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, अभी ये वाला ट्राई करो. 2 इक्वेशन है हमारे पास. मैं दोनों को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाके देता हूं. 4y इज इक्वल टू kx माइनस 10. तो पहले kx को वहां पे ट्रांसपोज करते हैं, माइनस kx हो जाएगा. या फिर 4y को यहां पे ट्रांसपोज किया. ध्यान से देखो, ये kx है, 4y को राइट हैंड साइड पे ट्रांसपोज किया और माइनस 10 को इधर ट्रांसपोज किया. तो व्हाट इक्वेशन वी हैव इज kx minus 4y is equal to 10. Shiva, you should have typed it. Okay, thank you. I didn't realize it while typing. 3x is equal to 2y plus 5. तो प्लस 2y को यहां पे ट्रांसपोज करो, -2y is equal to 5. Now we have two equations. The question says it has infinitely many solutions. So can you give me the value of k? Try. Can you give me the value of k? देखो ये सेम कॉन्सेप्ट का सम है, अभी हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, तो अगर एग्जाम में आ भी गया तो हम लोग कर लेंगे, लेकिन अदरवाइज थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता था। ओके, अभी हम लोग कर लेंगे। ओके, आई बिलीव अभी ऐसे कितने भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सम्स दे दूं तो शायद तुम लोग कर पाओगे। ओके, नाउ सी आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव वैल्यू मतलब ऐसा कुछ जो डिफरेंट हो, जो नहीं किया हो। Why? Because you guys are taking an extra effort sitting on Sunday and not wasting your time, not going outside and deciding to come live and sit for the lecture, which is an additional struggle. तो मेरे लिए बहुत immense pressure होता है to select the topic and to think about a lot and work on it and to get something that value, something of value to you. So I promise you, then I will be giving you more tests. I'll be sharing more question papers also. मैं खुद बनाया हुआ क्वेश्चन पेपर्स शेयर करूंगा and I'll get it corrected from you all. ठीक है? So stay on tuned on. I'll make sure that all these sessions come to of great use. तो किसी को भी k का वैल्यू आया तो बताओ। Meanwhile, I'll progress comparing a1 is k, b1 is -4 and c1 is 10. a2 is 3, b2 is -2 and c2 is 5. I hope all of you are trying to get the answer. Then you have to write a1 upon a2 is k upon 3, if you see here. b1 upon b2 is -4 upon -2, that will be 2 upon 1. c1 upon c2, 10 upon 5, that will be 5 2s are 5 1s are 2 upon 1. Now since they have infinitely many solutions, a1 upon a2 will be equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now substitute the values here. अगर नहीं समझा है कैसे करना है, यहां पे वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो a1 अपॉन a2 का, b1 अपॉन b2 का, c1 अपॉन c2 का, एंड कोई भी एक रिलेशन यूज करके आंसर निकालो। ओके, नूर हैज गॉट द आंसर। लेट अस सी व्हाट अदर्स हैव टू से। Okay, and what I will do is maybe after November I will start taking some sessions on Zoom. Let us see how we can work on that, so we can speak also to each other, है ना। तो और थोड़ा प्राइवेट कॉन्वर्सेशन हो जाएगा। प्राइवेट कॉन्वर्सेशन मतलब नॉट ओपन टू पब्लिक, नहीं तो बोलोगे सर मेरा किडनी दुख रहा है। हो, so Noor has got the answer. Others, please confirm the answer. Take your time. We are not in a rush. We'll practice. और बाय द वे कल आर.एन. शाह को मैं 230 को मीडियन पढ़ाने वाला हूँ, 245 को। बाकी सबको 330 टू 530 में मैं मीन और मोड पढ़ाने वाला हूँ। तो इफ यू वांट टू स्टे अहेड यू कैन कम। ओके, वंश हैज आल्सो गॉट द आंसर। वंश पक्का लिख रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि क्लास में तो कुछ नहीं लिखता। ओके, चलो पनीर टिक्का का भी कंफर्मेशन आ गया है। सो a1 upon a2 is k upon 3 from here, b1 upon b2 is 2 upon 1 here, c1 upon c2 is 2 upon 1 from here. Now what we can do is c1 upon c2 का जरूरत नहीं है, यही दो को लो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, k into 1 is k, 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, I hope everybody got the sum. If anybody has any doubt please tell me. सर कल पेज 54 का 10th सम करो ना है, कल थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि आर.एन. शाह के हिसाब से मुझको मेन मीडियन खत्म करना है। ओके, लेट्स सी नहीं तो लाइव आ जाऊंगा, डोंट वरी। वो सब थोड़ा, लेकिन लाइव पे भी हो नहीं पाएगा, एक स्क्रीन पे फिट नहीं होगा जल्दी। नूर जस्ट लेट मी नो कि मैंने वो 10 सम नहीं पढ़ा है, और वैसे भी वो सब मेरे को पढ़ाना है सिर्फ आई एलिट वन के लिए, बट आई डोंट नो वेदर दैट कॉन्सेप्ट एग्जिस्ट एनी मोर. K equal to 6. Oh, are you joined now? Very good. Okay, I'm going to next sum. चलो, मुझे इसका फाइनल आंसर टाइप करके देना, ठीक है? लेट अस सी हु गेट्स इट. यस. ओके, आई वांट एवरीबॉडी. यस ओम, योर आंसर इज राइट. नहीं पढ़ा है, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. आई टेक इट, डोंट वरी, आई टेक इट. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई वांट यू टू ट्राई सॉल्व दिस सम. ये कोशिश करो. Should I keep the previous sum for presentation? If yes, type yes. I'll keep the previous sum for the presentation. And then I want you to try. Try करो. आना चाहिए आंसर. भरोसा नहीं है सर. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है. पनीर टिक्का जी बिल्कुल नहीं. आप पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं. Okay. Yes. Okay. I'll keep the previous sum, right? I'm keeping the previous sum for the reference. Okay. Now try. Meanwhile और कुछ डाउट्स है तो पूछो, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा साइलेंट रहना या इनएक्टिव रहना बहुत बोर होता है. और वैसे soon we will also be taking live doubt solving session. That means you will shoot the question. I'll write the solution for you. I'll write the solution on the screen. Let us see who gets it. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन कॉपी नहीं किया, सो सॉरी. Shifa, there is a lag, huh? So once you type, you send a message, it takes 20-25 seconds का lag for me to know. Once you're done writing the question, just tell me done. तो मैं वापस से previous वाला साइड रख लूँ. Perfect. So this is the last sum that we have. Actually ऐसे बहुत सारे sums है मेरे पास. So I think, but you basically got the concept. और ये sum बहुत ही unique है. ये sum when you solve, you will realize it is very unique. Okay, Vansh got P equal to 7. We'll wait to cross check the sum Vansh. And I feel Vansh, you're wrong. नहीं नहीं नहीं, अगर तुम क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगे वंश, शायद आपने ये नहीं देखा, हैव यूनिक सोल्यूशन. वंश, ಒಂದು ತೂತು ಜರೀರು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೂತು ಜಾರು. राइट वंश. बाय डिफॉल्ट एज्यूम कर लिया कि ये भी इन्फिनिट मनी सोल्यूशन होगा. पढ़ो, क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. यूनिक सोल्यूशन बोला हुआ है एवरीवन, डोंट मेक द मिस्टेक. People are taking awfully more time to solve this. Huh? Let's see who gets it. और किस किस का प्लान है डांडा खेलने का आज? ओम तो जाता ही रहेगा 100% डांडा खेलने. p इज इक्वल टू -8. आपने पढ़ा पनीर जी, उसमें लिखा हुआ है नॉट यूनिक सोल्यूशन. यूनिक सोल्यूशन बोला गया है. यूनिक सोल्यूशन बोला. देखो सोचो, ये कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया ना 3 मार्क के लिए, बहुत मजा आ जाएगा. Nobody's got the answer. नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. आपको क्या आ क्या गया? मैं करवाऊंगा करवाऊंगा डेफिनेटली. आया क्या? आया क्या? तुमको क्या आंसर आया? नहीं आ रहा है आंसर. अरे ऐसा कैसे आंसर नहीं आ रहा? तुमको क्या है वो तो लिखो. क्या होता है पता है? हमको आता है, हम में कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा कम रहता है. हमको क्या आया बताओ. हाँ, मैं 100% करूंगा. दैट गर्ल 777 कौन है पता नहीं. नहीं, बट तुमने सॉल्व किया रहेगा, कुछ तो आया रहेगा ना. देखो अभी है ना, ये श्योर एग्जाम्पल है वेर वी आर राइट. इट्स ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज वी डोंट नो दैट वी आर राइट. तो ऐसे सम्स ही आते हैं बोर्ड में जो बहुत सिंपल होते हैं, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस यूजुअली किसी में होता नहीं है कि हाँ ये राइट होगा. चलो यहां तक किया रहेगा. ये पहला इक्वेशन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है, सेकंड इक्वेशन भी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है. तो क्योंकि इक्वल आएगा ही नहीं ना. ओके, A1 इज 8, B1 is -P, C1 is -7, A2 is 4, B2 is -2 and C2 is -3. ओके, अभी यूनिक सोल्यूशन बोला है. A1 अपॉन A2 तो पहले ढूंढ लेते हैं. 8/4 is 2/1. यस, नो यू गॉट इट राइट, बट उसका आंसर कैसा लिखोगे? आई वांट दैट. A1 अपॉन A2 is 8/4 2/1. B1 upon B2 minus P upon -2, that will be P upon 2. C1 upon C2 minus 7 upon -3, that will be 7/3. अभी क्लियरली क्वेश्चन में बोला इट हैज यूनिक सोल्यूशन. Yes, that is right. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1 is not equal to B1 upon B2. That is P upon 2. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 2 2 सर 4 होता है तो P इंटू 1 P होता है तो P इज नॉट इक्वल टू 4. यहां तक किस किस को आ गया? यहां तक किस किस को आ गया? और किसी को डाउट है तो P प्लीज यू कैन आस्क. तो ओके वेरी गुड. हु इज दैट गर्ल 777? जो नाम नहीं पता. ओके 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 यहां तक आ गया. अच्छा यहां तक आ गया ना. अभी मेरे को फाइनल आंसर क्या लिखोगे बताओ. P इज नॉट इक्वल टू 4 है तो फाइनल आंसर क्या लिखोगे? 3 मार्क का सम है. यहां तक करोगे तो 2 मार्क तो आ ही गया. 1 मार्क फॉर द फाइनल आंसर. सो व्हाट कैन बी द फाइनल आंसर? परफेक्ट शिफा. यस आया ना. हाँ, अभी तो आएगा. स्क्रीन पे आने के बाद फटाफट आएगा. ओके फाइनल आंसर बताओ मुझे. ये वन शेट्टी किधर से तो मस्त गूगल करके मेरे को आंसर दिया है. Yes, you can write that answer. The simultaneous equations will have unique solution for all values of p except 4. या फिर लिखो all values of p except 4. या फिर तुम लोग लिख सकते हो the value of p can मतलब देखो p is not equal to 4 मतलब क्या हो गया कि p 4 नहीं है. बाकी कुछ भी चलेगा. Any real number is possible other than 4. p can be any value. एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हो the value of p is any other real number other than 4. या फिर एकदम एग्जैक्ट प्रिसाइज स्टेटमेंट जो वंश ने हमको कहीं से ला कर दिया है. ऑल वैल्यूज ऑफ पी एक्सेप्ट 4. ओके वो ये सब समझा. इफ यस टाइप यस 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 एनी पॉसिबल बट नॉट 4. परफेक्ट बट नॉट 4. परफेक्ट. दैट गर्ल 777 जो अपना नाम डिस्क्लोज कर भी नहीं रही है बट शी इज गिविंग मी राइट आंसर. करेक्ट. तो डिड यू ऑल गेट दिस आंसर? यस 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 परफेक्ट. ओके नाउ वाज दिस एन इंटरेस्टिंग सम. देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का जब बात करूं लास्ट टाइम भी हम लोग ने एक क्वेश्चन देखा था. वो जो 3 बॉल्स वाला कॉन्सेप्ट था 50 बॉल्स एंड दिस ओके and this value this sum. These are very different sum but trust me these are very easy sums but आ गया ना हम लोग कर नहीं पाए क्योंकि ये सारे एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होते हैं. तो जब मैंने वो एमसीक्यू देखा है तो मुझे समझ में आता कि वो एमसीक्यू पे बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. सो आई हैव few more sums of like this which वो जादव किधर से आ गया मेरे को भी आंखों में आंसू. उसको लिंक कहां से मिल गया भगवान जानता है. हाँ कहां से गया पता नहीं. बट आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस सम एंड यू गॉट दिस सम एंड इंटरेस्टिंग राइट. अगर आता है मैथ अच्छा लगता है तो इंटरेस्टिंग है. जादव सर जी आप आए हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. Nevertheless, okay. I think we will end our session here today. Yes, we will end our session here today. Next time I'll come with something. I'll think of something and come something nice and useful. जो बोर्ड एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत यूजफुल होना चाहिए वरना हम लोग नहीं करेंगे. ओके नथिंग. ओके थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. नाउ यू ऑल कैन गो एंड प्ले नवरात्रि. If you have any doubts you can shoot. Okay, any doubts? Bye, Ayush. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye, Kaushal. Bye, Atharva. Yes, we'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless you all. Have a nice Sunday. Enjoy your Navratri. Go play. You can afford to play for 1, 2 hours. Study the entire day. You can always नहीं जेबी में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर शायद वेंसडे अभी जेबी में तो ज्यादा बचा नहीं है 2, 3, 4 आवर्स का डीएन में भी फिनिश फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स टुमारो नेक्स्ट बाय बाय विल सी यू नेक्स्ट